As part of an advanced driver assistance program, the Genesis GV70 is equipped with lane following assist. The lane following assist feature is designed to provide steering assist to help keep the vehicle centered in the lane at all times. Lane following assist can be turned on and off simply by pressing the Lane Driving Assist button located on the left side of the steering wheel. When the lane following assist indicator is green, it shows that it is in active operating state. When the indicator is gray, it means that operating conditions have not been met. When the indicator is blinking white, it means that the system has disengaged due to such factors as driver input, improper road detection, and more. While using this feature, the driver must always keep their hands on the steering wheel, or a warning message will appear along with an audible tone. Be aware that the lane following assist function will turn off automatically if repeated hands-on steering wheel warnings are issued. The warning alert volume can be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Methods. Alternatively, this can also be accessed by selecting Sound and then Driver Assistance. Here you can adjust the volume and haptic warning. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.